Hi. So I just wanted to get on here and show you how to split screens. This is going to be helpful for when we do Google Meets and our students want to see us as well as do their homework. And so I'm sorry about my puppy. She likes to get in things. So I'm going to show you I'm going to show you how to do this, and I'm going to present right now. Okay, so as you can see, I have two tabs open. I have my Google Classroom, and then I have the Google Meets. What I'm going to do is I am going to slide. I don't know if you're watching what I'm doing. I'm sliding. I'm just holding one finger down, and then with another finger, I'm just sliding it down. I'm making two different windows. So I made two different windows. Now that I made two different windows, I'm going to have this little square right here, and I am going to make it smaller. And then I'm going to go to my other window, my Google Classroom, and I am going to make it smaller as well. So then I am going to, when I go to the edges, there's two arrows that come to the side. I'm just going to hold my finger down again, and then with another finger, I'm going to slide it so it can get a little smaller. And then I'm going to click on my other screen and then go to the edge on here and wait till the arrows come out. Oops. I didn't need to make it a little smaller. And I'm going to do that. Wait till the arrows come out, and then I'm going to make it smaller as well. So I can put these together. So another thing that can happen when do you see those two arrows? I can, let's see. I can grab both of them at the same time, and just depending on how everything looks, I can make one window smaller and the other one bigger, and then I can make the other one smaller and this one bigger. And then and now that I have both of them at the same measurement and what I like, I can go into my Google Classrooms, and the students can still see us, or can still see us, and then they can also be doing their homework as well. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.